Okay, so anyone who's been following the channel probably knows that obviously I do the sort of drone mapping thing, and normally, more often than not, I just fly it using the DJI app, Fly 4, whatever it's called, Go Fly 4. But more recently, I've started using the Maven app, which is a bit like ArduPilot in that you can plan waypoints and points of interest and stuff, but it's always slightly nerve-wracking to use because you have to kind of fly it up, find the drone up, and scan the horizon to make sure that there's nothing that crosses the midpoint, because if it crosses the midpoint, you can potentially crash into it, right? And so I found this quite good hack, which is to rip Google Earth, Google Maps, and sorry, let me just get out of it's at a particular scale. So if I times any of the for instance, this is the empty just above the ground there, and the empty above it is 0.06. If I times that by 25, let me just show you. So 0.63 times by 25, it's 15.75 meters, right? So I'm probably going to fly at 20 meters just to be doubly sure, but it's always, as I say, there's always this sort of slight issue when you're using the Maven app, that because it's like all on autopilot, you know, the crash avoidance is disabled. And so if I go like this, it should work. It's going to work. I can make sure we're not going to crash into any trees. I mean, obviously you have to watch out for pylons and flag posts and all sorts. This is, you know, yeah, this is not legal advice, but it's still just to make absolutely sure that I'm not going to hit anything. That tree is quite close there, right? For instance, but I'm gonna add another 5 meters, so 20 meters, just to be doubly sure. And then also I know I can work out. I can work out the what radiuses I need and what angles I need to tilt the camera at to do the surveying, right? And then we go round. And I mean, it'd be great if I could export this to the Maven thing, but I'm going to have to obviously recreate this in the Maven app. So yeah, I mean, if we jump in there, anyway, it gives me a rough idea of hopefully what I'm going to see for this sort of mapping project. And just to, as I say, make doubly sure that I'm not going to crash into anything. But like I said, if I take off at 20 meters from the park over there, I think we're all good. So yeah. Anyway, that's it. Just a quick video. I thought so yeah, I'll put the link to how you can rip the. You know, this is obviously sort of breaking Google's terms of service, but still, it's a useful tool, safety tool. I think in terms of, I mean, obviously the trees could have grown a bit since the last time and stuff like that. So, or there might be a new building that's put up or something, right? So you know, still check when you take off that there's nothing crossing the midpoint on the horizon, and then yeah. So just zoom back a bit. So yeah, just but that's it. Yeah, I just thought it's quite a cool. But not only that, it's quite a good way of just visualizing. You know, if you have to pitch to somebody what you want to do, this is quite a good way of doing it, right? And then, as I say, you have to recreate it all in the Maven app, which is a bit like ArduPilot. Okay, that's it.